Too much rhubarb last week, and I need to get it used up before it goes bad. I don't want to freeze it. And we bought a bag of limes because limes were 4 for $5 or a whole bag for $7. So we went with the whole bag, and I thought, why not try rhubarb limeade instead of rhubarb lemonade? Let's go. I've had a lot of people ask if I could make this recipe with frozen rhubarb, and this is exactly the kind of recipe that you can use with frozen rhubarb. Anything, you don't need the rhubarb to stand up to cooking here. You want it to melt, and frozen rhubarb melts really beautifully when you cook it. By melt, I mean just turns into mush. Into the pan it goes. We're just going to measure this and we'll make it work. Add that to the pan, and then just get this cooking over medium heat. Rhubarb is starting to break apart. This is exactly what we're looking for. This is a good time to taste it and add more sugar if you think you're going to want it. You just don't want it too tart. Ooh, no, I think that's perfect. It is just about time to strain. It's time to strain our rhubarb limeade. Let's go. For this job, I like to use my canning funnel. Into the fridge. See you for a taste test. Hot outside, I've been mowing, and I am ready for some rhubarb limeade. It's cooled. It smells so good. People think that lime and lemon is so similar, but limeade and lemonade are totally different. So let's put some ice in our cup. Rhubarb limeade. All right, here we go. Official taste test. Mosquitoes followed me in. I'm dirty. That is so good. Tart, tangier than lemonade. And that may be that I just added a little less sugar than I did to the lemonade version, because I kind of just winged this one and threw a bunch of stuff in the pot. Figured it would turn out how it turns out. Welcome to eating at our house. I love the lime. Actually, I might like lime better than lemon. Yum. I had to take my cheesy picture. Yum.